Narrator. Hi there, health enthusiasts. Today, I'm here to talk about a leafy green that's probably in your fridge right now, spinach. Yes, that humble green with superpowers. But did you know that spinach has a fascinating journey through time? Narrator spinach, or originated in ancient Persia. It was so beloved that it traveled to India and then made its way to ancient China in the 7th century, thanks to the Persian traders. They called it the Persian vegetable. Imagine that. Speaker 1. By the time it reached Europe in the 11th century, it was quickly embraced for its versatility and nutrient-rich profile. Catherine de' Medici, Queen of France, was so fond of spinach that she insisted it be served at every meal. That's why spinach dishes are often called Florentine in her honor. Narrator. Fast forward to the modern era, spinach has become a global superstar in the world of superfoods. And for good reason. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron, folate, and calcium, spinach is a nutritional powerhouse. Narrator. But it's not just about the nutrients. Spinach is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. From salads to smoothies, soups to sautés, its mild flavor blends beautifully in a variety of dishes. Speaker 1. Ever heard of Popeye the Sailor Man? This cartoon character's love for spinach popularized the vegetable even further, especially among children. Just a can of spinach gave Popeye super strength. While that might be an exaggeration, there's no denying that spinach is a strong contributor to a healthy diet. Narrator. Speaking of health, let's talk about some of the benefits. Spinach is known to improve eye health, reduce oxidative stress, and lower blood pressure levels. It's also an excellent source of antioxidants, which help combat chronic diseases. Narrator. And here's a fun fact. Spinach contains compounds called thylakoids, which have been shown to reduce hunger and increase feelings of fullness. So it might just be your best friend if you're looking to manage your weight. Speaker 1. Incorporating spinach into your diet can be as simple as adding a handful to your morning smoothie or tossing it into your lunchtime salad. Its mild taste makes it easy to pair with almost anything. Narrator. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to grab some spinach. This ancient green has traveled through centuries to end up on your plate, bringing with it a treasure trove of health benefits. Remember, eating well doesn't have to be complicated. Narrator. Thanks for tuning in, health enthusiasts. Until next time, stay healthy and stay curious. Safety, na'a, emotion, 3, music, piano, upbeat, gentle artist, food fa fu, spinach health benefits superfood, writing style, informative.